Hey guys, my name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And in this box, we have a special delivery from Nail Reserve. Thank you, Nail Reserve, for sending this over. What is it, guys? Let's have a look. Looky here. It's polishes from their new collection. It's called Mystic Hues of Fall. These are very fall colors and very beautiful. Also, they did include a matte top coat, so thank you for that. Prepare to be captivated by these 4 extraordinary shades that perfectly embody the spirit of the season. I do have a link in the description for you, as well as a 50% off discount code, so use it. That is a massive discount. Definitely use it. These are high quality polishes as well. Let's check them out. Goodbye, worms. And as always, Nail Reserve is 21 formula free, cruelty free, healthy, long lasting formula, vegan, and HEMA free, I believe. Let's check out the colors. This first one is called Rusty Blue. And look at that. It's so dusty. I wouldn't say rusty because that reminds me of red, but it's definitely fall. It's almost like a denim color. This would actually make a really good denim set of nails. Very pretty. I like that a lot. Next we have Imaginary Friend. Look at that dusty purple. That is super cute. I love it. It's a lighter fall shade of purple. I do have a polish that's a darker fall type purple, but this one's nice too. I feel like this one reminds me of like when you're out at a pumpkin patch and they've got decorations and scarecrows and all that good stuff. This is the type of purple you might find in those decorations. In Love Again. Ooh. This one's in the purple family as well, but it's a little bit more pink. This one is kind of a mauve, but a dark mauve. I could see myself wearing a lipstick in this shade. In the camera, it looks a lot pinker than it is. It's really not that pink. But you know what is pink? A kiss. Look at that. That is a hot and vibrant pink. Now you may be saying to yourself, but wait, doesn't that belong in summer? You know what? It would be beautiful in a summer nail set, but it also belongs in fall because it's still hot outside. We have not left that heat season, and with the vivacious colors, this is beautiful and complementary to those dustier colors. This one will really pop when paired together. So let's do some nail art. So this is going to be our guest today. This is the Nail Nobility Hand. I call her Miss Thing. She's come to join us and help us out here. So I think first we're gonna go in with In Love Again. But first, let's do a quick base coat. All right, let's start painting. I don't think y'all can hear it, but it is thundering outside. It is storming. Look how beautifully this goes on. It is so creamy and so opaque. And this is just like my first swipes. Like, obviously this is not gonna require a buildup. That is so nice. Really great polishes. You guys should definitely get this stuff. Self-leveling, stunning. If you don't like doing multiple coats, this is great. Let's add a little rusty blue. Look how pretty this is. I am obsessed. What about you? What do you think of this shade of blue? Look at that. That is so pretty. One coat. It's amazing. And I think I'd like a little imaginary friend over here. How cute is that? Beautiful. Look how cute those are. And we're gonna go in with this thing and do a little decorating. There are some gold glitters and some orange and some other orange glitters, but there's some black in too. What we want is these leaves. They have 2 shapes of leaf. They have the traditional maple leaf ones, and then they have this other shape as well. I'm gonna go for the maple one because I am not familiar with this other one. All right, let's try not to make a mess here. Uh-oh, there's already one escaping. All right, there we go. Look at that. How pretty. Let's put that in that lid. Okay, so I've got a little base coat on my brush so that hopefully I can get some leaves to stick to it. Yeah, it's working. I don't want you guys right on top of each other. Get on there. We do want a little bit of different colors. Goodness gracious, they do not want to be spread out. There we go. These are looking real cute, if I do say so myself. I want to turn this one. Get on here, but like, there we go. Now let's see if I try and push these down, will they lay down? A little bit, yeah. This guy, not so much. He is not happy to lay down. Alright, let's put some base coat on that and then we will cure it. Try not to drag it off. Alright, so those are stuck down. It is gonna need a little bit more though, because we're gonna have to smooth that out. A builder gel would have been probably the ideal product, but I didn't bring one in here. Please, stay in focus. Pay attention to the task at hand, yo. Let's put that one down a little bit. Okay, let's work on this guy next, and we're gonna make us a pink pumpkin. So to make a pumpkin, it's actually really easy. You do it very similarly to when you're doing a heart, and you can use your bottle brush to get your shapes going. So we go like this. And there's one side. And there's the other side. Now we just need to fill it in. Okay, so that's our pumpkin body, and that has to cure as well. Okay, so for this guy, we're gonna do us a little French. So I'm gonna put some of this blue, because that's the color I'd like to go with on this here brush. And then we're gonna get our markings. So I want it to be a deep French. And then we'll come up one side. Yes, 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 up into there. And then we'll do the other side as well. Alright, so does that look even? Not quite. I think this side needs to come up a little more. I think that's a little bit more even. Alright, alright, alright. And then we want to try and fill in these side bits with this small brush, because the bottle brush will just get everywhere if we go to sticking that in there. Look, I accidentally put too much and hit my brush up there. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Frenches, while they look easy, are not. Especially if you're me and your art skills are mediocre at best. So let me cure that real quick and we'll come back. Alright, now we're gonna try and do the same thing over here. See if I can have less problems with this one. Pretty cute. And into the lamp. Alright, so on this finger, we're gonna try and do a little bit of a plaid pattern if we can. Plaids are not super easy for someone like me because I can't hardly draw a straight line, but we're gonna try it. So just do a straight line here. Is it straight? Absolutely not. It's going with the shape of the nail. Okay. Alright, and then guess we'll have another one over here that goes this way. Yeah? You'll see the vision later. Okay, now we need another color. Let's grab this pink one. Not too much though. Let's try and put it next to it. As parallel as we can anyway. And then we'll put some of that over here too. Okay, and then we're gonna take this black gel liner and put a little bit on here as well. Alright, we cool? Alright, so we're gonna use a black gel liner to put our lines around these patches. We gotta be really, really small about it. So now we'll put that in the lamp and then we'll come back and put the stitches on it. Alright, let's see if we can make us some tiny little stitches. Alright, that will do. And then before we stick that in the lamp, we need to add a face to our pumpkin. But like, it is so cute. I don't know if I should. Please, ma'am, get your finger out of here. Should we? I think, you know what? No. Let's leave it faceless. And I'll stick this in the lamp. So now we've got everything decorated up. Let's give it a little alcohol wipe. Get all this dispersion color off of here. And then we're gonna go in with a matte top coat on most of them. We're gonna use the one that came with this kit. This box. And then we'll put this in a lamp. That is looking so good, so spectacular. It's time for the re-emergence of the gold glitter liner. This guy still has a job to do. Look how pretty that is. We want the same thing on this side if we can do it. Oh, so that's looking real cute. And we're gonna give a little bit of a gold line down this way if we can. Alright, yeah. Let's stick that in the lamp. And then last step, let's top coat this guy so we can bring out that shine. Look how pretty that is. Yes, let's cure it. Okay, so here is the final result. What do you think? I think it's super cute. I like the way that the matte and the shimmers are together. I like my little pink pumpkin. That's adorable. And then this snail is very sparkly. Now, the way the light lines are, you can tell that it's pretty flat across the top. But with a builder gel, instead of just a bunch of layers of base coat, that would probably be significantly better. Let me know what you think. And what do you think of these colors? This is the Mystic Hues of Fall collection from Nail Reserve. I'd say I am pleased. I am very happy with these colors, and I think that I could use these for all kinds of decorations. I think I would probably not use all of them at once because that's really hard, but to match just a couple of them together is a super simple set. And I'm actually a big fan of having them matte. So I think that I would continue to do that. Let me know about you. Which color is your favorite, and do you prefer it matte or shiny? I will get you some photos, of course, and those will be inserted right here. And while I wrap that up, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your interaction. I do really appreciate it. I love chatting with you guys in the comments, and your likes definitely do help the algorithm. Please make sure you are subscribed so that you are aware when I post new videos. If you want to turn on the bell, you can do that too. And make sure you are making it to the end of my videos so that if I'm sneaking a little something in there, you'll be there to see it. And eligible to win said something. Anyway, one more time, thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.